Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to start conversation on Tinder using a phone. Let's get started. First, open the Tinder app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, go to the messages by tapping the chat icon at the bottom. Only matched profiles can be messaged, so make sure you have at least one match. Next, check the profile and bio. Look for something interesting like a hobby, favorite show, or travel photo. This gives you an idea of professionalized message instead of just saying hi. Then type a friendly opener. Personal messages get better response than generic greetings. Keep it short and light. Don't write long paragraph in the first message. Or simple fun questions or comment is enough to start a conversation. Finally, be yourself and stay positive. Avoid being negative or overthinking. And that's it. That's how you start a conversation on Tinder using a phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.